Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got the Maxpeedingrods MXR4000GT. This is a dual fuel inverter generator, perfect for tent camping, RVing, or anything you need a generator you can carry around. The cool thing about this generator is that it is completely controllable by your app or your cell phone. You can control this thing, start, stop it with your phone. So while you're RVing or camping, the generator's on the outside, you can start it, stop it, and control it. See how much amps you're pulling, watts you're pulling. Cool, it's really awesome. Especially dual fuel, so you can run it off gas or propane. On gas, you have 4,000 watts starting and 3,200 running. On propane, 3,600 starting and 3,000 running. So if you have an RV or you want to go tent camping, you need a generator you can monitor from the inside. This one will do it for you. So check this one out. Let's get it out of the box, and then I'm gonna try to do some load tests on my RV. We'll do a dB test and see how loud it is. You got your little manual. That's your phone, your app controls. So you have all your QR codes over here. Alright, this is pretty cool. You have your fuel regulator, little funnel, little tool, some adapters. Also have a parallel cable. So if you get two of these guys, you can actually double your power by using this parallel cable. You got a nice cover so you can keep the dust off of it when you're stored. Over here you have your manual, your owner's manual, so you can read this and learn everything about your inverter generator. Okay, let's get some oil in this generator. So it does not come with the oil, so you guys have to supply your oil. You're gonna get some conventional 10W30 for this one. You will open it up, we'll connect our battery, we'll add our oil. See, 10W30 engine oil. Alright guys, there it is. Maxpeedingrods MXR4000GT. Nice handle on top. Fuel. And you have your intake right here for your LP gas. Real nice display. Right on the top you have a work light. I really like these. If you're using this while you're camping, you can turn this light on and help you get some light outside so you're not running this in the dark. You have a digital display, power, low oil, Bluetooth, voltage, frequency, time. You got a reset, low idle. On this side you do have a fuel gauge and you do have a power meter. CO alert, fuel source selector right here, so gas or propane inlet. Over here you have your twist lock, 30 amp twist lock, USB start button, main switch, parallel ports over here, your 20 amp reset, and another plug over here for your 110 20 amps. So you see right here, on gas 4,000 starting, 3,200 running. On propane 3,600 starting and 3,000 running. And you got a ground log down here. Alright guys, let's get some oil in the generator so we can fire it up, and then we're gonna do some dB testing and show you the app. I'm gonna load the app and see exactly how we can stop this thing. On this side you do have pull start and your fuel switch right here. So you do have your little compartment right here so you can check your spark plug. Let's pull that up. You can get in there, you can see easy access to your spark plug. Specs right here. It's rated for 26.7 amps on gas and 25 amps on LPG. 4,850 RPMs. And it has a 145cc engine. Alright guys, so on the right side, the side with the spark plug, I'm just going to pull this spark plug up, cover off, put it right here, pull my cover off. There were two screws. I took these two screws off. This comes right off. You have your oil down here and your battery connect right here. Battery connected. Alright guys, so I got the oil in the generator, I got the battery connected. I'm going to show you guys a quick way to pair your Bluetooth. So the first thing you're going to do is come over here, turn your switch on. Once your main switch is on, you'll hit the reset button for 3 seconds right here. Hold the reset button for 3 seconds. It's going to go into pairing mode. Your generator should pop up in devices right there. Click that. You see right here it's connected. You come over here, turn this on. Everything is good. It's in LPG mode. You just come over here, make sure eco mode is off, hit the start. Generator will start up. Eco mode come on. Okay, just went off eco mode. Let's do that. Turn eco mode on. There it is. Alright guys, we're gonna go to the RV, do a quick load test, DB test, and see what this thing can do. But I actually really like the fact that you can start it and stop it using your app. So that's a plus. If you're looking for a generator you can start and stop using your app or your phone, this will do it for you. Okay guys, we are at my RV right now. We have the generator over here. I have a dB meter. Let's get a baseline. Right about 55, I would say. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick dB test. You can see our baseline is right around 56. So let's go ahead and fire up the generator. It's around 20 feet this way. .62 dBs. Eco mode off. Jumps up to about 64. Let's go ahead and turn the AC on, plug it on, and see what we get. Alright guys, so we're going to plug the RV up. Since this has a 30 amp twist lock and I have a 50 amp RV, I'm going to use this adapter. So let's plug this in. Plug that in. So now we go from the 30 amp, so I can use my 50 amp RV plug. Let's fire it up. Eco mode. It is hot in here, so first thing I'm going to do is turn one AC on. But before we do that, I'll turn the refrigerator on. Alright, refrigerator's on, and then we'll turn one AC on. One AC and refrigerator. 69 dB, pulling 1,600 watts. Let's go ahead and turn on the second AC. Alright guys, turn that second AC on. 2,783 watts. 2 ACs in the refrigerator. Alright guys, so we're going to put 1 minute on the microwave, but before I do that, I usually turn one AC off. So I'll turn on the back AC, and I'll come over here and I'll put 1 minute. 3,264. Voltage stays perfect, 120 volts, even at full power output. Microwave's out. Now we have one AC in the refrigerator. Alright guys, real quick test. Alright guys, there you have it, the Maxpeedingrods 4000 GT, 1.1 gallon fuel tank. You have a 1.1 gallon fuel tank, 4,000 starting and 3,200 running on gas. I got all the way up to about 3,400 wide, 100% output, and handled it perfectly. Voltage never dropped. That's what you look for. It kept it at 120 volts. That means it has a pure sine wave inverter. Real powerful inverter to maintain that kind of output and voltage. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick video unboxing and review of the Maxpeedingrods 4000 GT. Guys, full Bluetooth start stop. Not too many generators can do that. This one can with your cell phone. Guys, thanks for watching this quick video and have a nice day. Bye.